Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the phone and account. Back up anything critical, sign into your Google account, and make sure you have a stable internet connection. Once done, disable any VPN because regional checks rely on IP. Now open Settings and go straight to System. Choose Languages and Input or Advanced right arrow region to start changing device locale. This step sets date, time formats, and regional defaults so apps behave correctly. Proceed to modify language or region options as needed. You'll now change both the device locale and the Play Store country. Add the target language variant under Languages and set it as default to update region-specific formats. Next, open the Play Store, tap your profile, then Settings right arrow account and Device Preferences right arrow country and profiles. If the new country appears, follow prompts. Play requires a local payment method to switch profiles, so add one if asked. Make sure your phone's IP matches the new location, and allow up to 48 hours for the Play profile to update. Finish by rebooting the Pixel and reviewing region-dependent settings, date, currency, keyboard layouts, and App Store content. If Play Store content didn't change, clear its cache and data, then reopen to recheck country and profiles. If the switch is blocked, update your Google Payments profile with a valid local payment method at Payments. Google.com and make sure your IP reflects the new country. If issues persist, contact Google support. They can verify account restrictions or help migrate your payments profile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.